My shadow stretches ahead like a memory I haven't made yet. Is it fleeing or leading? Some wild and whimsically formed character of bending light. It becomes a crazy sketch on nature's canvas. The Wilder Kaiser rests beneath the flame-tipped sky. Monumental, ancient, enduring. Mountains don't sleep, they remember. The wind brushes in the wildflowers. Shadows chase sunlight across the rock face. It's a complicated puzzle for the artist's eye. I sit with a medium in hand, trying to capture time before it blows away. Quiet place, unraveling its silent layers of fields, houses, and mountains. Every line is an invitation to look again and again and again. So I am seriously thinking about putting one of those chairs on top of this, and then I can draw from up there, because that's kind of a nice view, isn't it? Off. I built a throne for my vision atop a table under the sky, exposed and elevated. This is how kings of imagination rule.
Squeak.
my squeaky boy.
That's just really weird.
Yeah, that's for sure. In here. It is the king's chair, the Kaiser's chair. Kaiserstuhl. I'm not drawn in this sketchbook much at all.
The warmth of the water blends brilliantly with the cold peaks. Body dissolves in the landscape. The mind drifts like mist. With the windows down, the joy is out. Rockies ride through it all. Farms, forest, hills. A future worth remembering. My shadow's back at work, supplies in hand. Rocky's enthusiasm elevates the serendipity of mood and perception. Night colors blurred by motion and bubbles. I'm tilted, eyes closed. Let it all swirl down into a dream.